Bro,
what's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, we're gonna be replacing my brother's headlights for some new ones that he just ordered. Let me show you guys. So what he got was some C-style headlights. Literally what he already has already. But these are just clear. And then he just got like the smoked out ones. You want to tell the chat why he decided to do this purchase?
I'm gonna slide in your girl's house like this.
You're done. He's been wanting some clear ones for the longest, and honestly, I mean, me, chat, I prefer these because I just like the darker ones. But his car's white, so I'm pretty sure the clear are gonna go pretty well. And yeah, of course, the wheels too. His works. So let's get on to this. I'm gonna go step by step, telling you guys exactly what to do. All right.
Oh, you're done. Step 1, take zip ties off because we don't have any of the clips. Step 2, you press these two handy dandy buttons. Pop that sucker out. Guess what? It's already loose. We go the other way. This one doesn't even have fender liner or zip ties. All you gotta do is press those two buttons, and it's already loose. And now we just come here in the middle. We yank it off.
Okay. All right, pop the hood.
Well, we gotta take that off.
Yeah. Don't mind the outfit for today. It's pretty hot out here, and I couldn't find my other shorts. So yeah, I'm looking a little weird today, like if I'm gonna go swimming. Popping the hood. First thing we're gonna do, grab a ratchet. You're gonna get your socket 10mm. You got one bolt right here. You got a screw. Go down here. Another bolt. Go down here. And another bolt. If I see another one, I'll let you know.
So much wrong came with these.
Buddy Tidy left Lucy on what? These heads? Headlights? Why?
Bro, we had to cut cables and rewire them.
No.
Foco lo quemó in like less than a month.
No.
Yup, that's what I'm changing them. This one right here went out already again.
Damn, that sucks. I just broke his headlight. I'm sorry. It's not like I actually needed it anyways. There it goes. Hey, I got it out.
Well, so much for getting these custom made of it.
Not me. I broke it.
This one right here.
There's another screw right here. I did not see that one right there. We should be able to knock this out pretty quick.
They already have silicone on it. Bro, look. That's another reason.
What?
Who put screws to take out bolts? Or to take out a light bulb? Ridiculous.
Yeah, it's annoying.
Yeah. Ah, no. You don't know how bad I want to break them.
The other ones aren't like that.
No, they're like OEMs. They're just twist. It's ridiculous.
Yeah, that's pretty dumb. Well, let me show you guys something. So my brother said this is from RedLine 360, the one that he already had on the car. Main reason why he wanted to get rid of them already is because he was going through the light bulbs. Another reason, if you go to the back, when they go out, you have to undo them to take off the light bulb.
And to do that,
you have to take the battery off, the intake and all this extra crap. Unlike me, all I gotta do is just like reach under, grab onto the cap, twist it off, reach inside, take the light bulb off, and switch it out for a new one. But on these, it's a pain in the ass. So that's another main reason why he wanted to switch them out.
And then wires?
Which me personally, yeah, it's kind of dumb. They shouldn't. I don't know why they did that. If we go on the new headlights, I'm gonna flip them for y'all. Look at that. There's the little cap that I was talking about. All you have to do is twist this. I actually don't want to do it right now. But you gotta twist this, pull it out, reach inside, switch the bulb lights and all that. It's a lot easier. Same style, but these are clear.
Oh,
and if you ever want to...
Those are sequential, like my
Oh, sequential, okay.
They sell those in black too.
Oh, in black too? Oh, okay.
Those are...
Never mind, they sell them in black
So
too.
look,
I can't really see.
And then look right here. My direction light is
Oh,
the
yeah.
actual seat. This one's... That has its own.
Oh, okay.
So it's sequential like my tail lights.
Yeah, so that's the difference between those two. And like he was saying, the C style, which is like this LED strip, whatever. On the newer ones, it goes all the way towards the back, kinda.
The grill, it has grill lines. No grill lines, and this is sharper. This one's sharper than this one.
There's the other one you can put on. So far we haven't ran into any issues, so that's a good thing. And then my brother just told me that the cool thing about these headlights, the company, they actually come with the brackets on already. So you don't have to worry about taking the old ones off from the other headlights that were already on and then putting them onto your new ones. Super quick, fast installation for sure. Probably the quickest one we've done on here. Okay, so besides the bolts that you have to worry about, don't forget about disconnecting and connecting your harness back that connect to the headlights onto the car for both.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, that white is like crispy, boy.
Huh?
The white on it is like really crispy. Yeah.
Let's on the left.
Yeah.
Let's on the right.
Yeah. Emergency? But you didn't turn on the headlights though.
Va a combinar, ajá.
Turn on the headlights.
Look at the fog lights are disconnected.
It doesn't matter.
Ahí.
Why they? Oh, never mind. They look yellowish. That's weird. ¿El otro está prendido? ¿Sí? ¿No?
Sí, ahí se mira.
Yeah. Alright, we're pretty much done with this installation with the headlights. The bolts are all good to go. I just went over them. They're all good. Both of the harness connected to the headlights onto the car harness is connected. All we gotta do left is put the bumper back on, connect the fog lights, and we're good to go. It's a woodpecker.
Just punch them in. And then I don't have the fender liner.
Yeah.
So.
Alright, there y'all go. They're installed. It gives you a little bit more slicky look to it. I don't know how to describe it. A little more clean, you know? I don't know. But it definitely matches the car a lot better. What do you guys think? You like them? Leave a like, subscribe, a comment if you like them. I like that the C style goes further back. Steve, what are we thinking?
It's hot. But
What about the headlights?
so much better.
Yeah.
So much better. I like the black ones, but chrome was the way. If y'all want the black ones, let me know. Maybe I'll sell them.
Alright, y'all heard the man. So that's pretty much for the video. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you haven't. I'll catch you on the next video. And I know this one was kind of short because there wasn't really much to show off. Alright, peace.